Welcome to Bole factory.
Thank you.
So this is your first time in Bole factory, right?
Yes. Thanks for having us, for inviting us. And so, we're very surprised to come and see the factory and one of the largest machines that we have ever ordered. So,
Yes. So I want to ask you some questions. Why you want to buy the Bole machines?
So in 2018, we started with the first Bole machine.
Yeah.
We used to have old machines that are very very heavy and not very fast. And since our demand grew in Mexico, and we were behind schedule and production, so we decided we would just try one machine. And that was in 2018. We purchased a 230-ton Bole machine just to try it out. Now, once we had that machine, we noticed that it was very energy efficient. The production was twice as high as the older machines. And then we started noticing it was no use keeping the older machines. We kept on buying more machines.
Yeah.
The next machines that we bought were like the 650-ton machine. We had the 170, and now all the way up to, I think the largest machine that you've sold to Mexico is the 2,200 ton, right?
Yeah.
And so, we've had that machine since 2019. And since we have that machine, that gave us connection to new customers that notice we have a large machine and they come to us for even larger products. And that's the reason why we buy this machine, the 4,000 ton, because to keep the same brand and the company, when we grow, we keep on buying more Bole machines.
Good, thank you. And the next question is, how is your imagine about Bole factory and this big machine?
Okay, so my imagination for this company was like, it's big, it's large, you have great capacity.
Yeah.
And now the time in which you built this machine is beyond our expectation.
Yeah.
But I know Jorge, he put you through a lot of pressure.
Yes.
But you had to do that because otherwise we would not have
done it.
Yeah. And so so actually we are surprised that you got this machine in that period, in that time frame finished. And so I wouldn't say that it's larger than I expected, because I had seen presentation from Bole and from Mexico over video, so I pretty much see what I expected to see.
Yes.
Which is a large company, huge capacity, making large machines. So it's very impressive to come here in person and to see what we just saw back there in video.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.